Hello, Science Kids! Welcome to Grade 4 Science. I am Teacher Jem, your science teacher for today. And because you already know how to use the different weather instruments in our previous lesson, we can now forward on our next science lesson, which is entitled Safety Precautions During Different Weather Conditions. At the end of this video lesson, you are expected to identify the safety precautions during different weather conditions. What kind of weather do you love? Is it sunny, rainy, windy, cloudy, or stormy? It is important to know the weather condition for us to secure our safety. We all love outdoor activities only if we have fine weather. Field trips, kite flying, sports, or camping that rarely held during rainy weather. Weather conditions help us decide what kind of activities or games we are going to do for a day. Information or knowledge on weather forecast also helps us to make necessary preparations. During sunny day, we wear light, thin clothes, drink, and eat cold foods like ice cream, shake, and other cold beverages. We must avoid exposing our skin to extreme sunlight by using umbrellas, cap, hats, or shades, and even applying sunscreen to protect our skin. We must also drink a lot of water to keep us hydrated. On rainy days, we usually wear thick clothes and eat warm foods. We do not play in the rain to avoid colds. We use umbrellas, raincoats, or boots to keep us safe if we need to go out. During windy days, we also wear thick clothes and we fly kites. We drink warm coffee or milk and also eat warm food. We should be very careful with fire during windy days as it easily spread out. We must avoid playing with fire and burning dry leaves. We should also avoid fishing and swimming on windy days for it is unsafe. Weather also helps us decide what clothes to wear. We feel comfortable wearing light-colored and thin clothes during warm weather and wearing dark, thick clothes and using blanket during cold weather. Weather also influences us to what kind of food we eat and the activities we do every day. In case of stormy and windy weather, we are advised to stay home and take the needed safety measures. We store enough food and prepare the flashlights, candles, water, and other needs in case there is a need to evacuate. Now let us proceed on classifying storm signals. Why do we need to know about the public storm warning signals? Public storm warning signals are raised to warn the public of incoming weather disturbances. It is essential that we know the meaning of each storm signal so that we can prepare for the coming typhoon. Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration, or PAGASA, is the agency responsible for assessing and forecasting weather, flood, and other conditions essential to the safety and welfare of the people. Here are the revised storm warning system as of May 2015, from which the agency stated the 5 storm warning signals classified according to strength of the typhoon. And here is the updated tropical cyclone classifications from PAGASA based from the report of the CNN Philippines, which they classified 5 tropical cyclones according to the wind speed and rainfall each can be brought by typhoon. Now, what do we need to do before typhoon? Watch out for weather updates on your TV, radio, or the internet. Familiarize yourself with the barangay's evacuation plan. Check house for damages and make necessary repairs. Keep your typhoon kit somewhere accessible. Take your pets and livestock to safe places like the evacuation area for animals. And follow evacuation orders by the authority. And now, what do we need to do during typhoon? Stay in your home or the evacuation center and keep watch for updates. Turn off main switch for utilities like water and electricity. Have a flashlight or lamp in hand. Use gas lamps or candles with cautions. Keep away from possible dangers like glass windows. And this is the things you need to do after typhoon. Wait for announcements regarding your area's safety before returning home. Stay away from danger. Do not do sightseeing and give way to rescue teams. Be extra careful. Make sure there are no wet or submerged appliances or outlets before turning electricity on. Check for possible breeding places for mosquitoes and get rid of rainwater. That's it, science kids. I hope you learned something new from our science video today. Happy learning, kids. Till next lesson.